Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Grindr registration error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix Grindr registration error, what you need to do is open up a Grindr, right? Now, what the issue might be is just when you are trying to fill up or open up an account in the Grindr app, there might be some issue that wouldn't let you to advance forward, right? So there might be a couple of reasons to while registration in the Grindr. So what you need to do is just simply tap on sign up. Let me just proceed and accept it, right? And once you tap on it, here all you gotta do is enter in your email, right? And once you're done with that, here type in your phone number as well, right? Or now let me just sign up, right? Now type in your email, and here keep in your password, and then on your birthday, what you need to do is keep your birthday above 18 or 19 years. If you are under 16, that might be the issue causing you to have a registration error, right? Now just simply enter in your birthday that is over 17 or 18 years, right? And then simply tap on next. And once you do that, here you can also sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple. I'll just select Google because it's really easy and convenient for me, and you can select the option as well which is convenient for you. And now once you do that, here it will ask you to type in your birth date once again. Let me just do it, right? And once you have done with that, all you gotta do is now tap on next, and then your account will be created, right? And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.